I lit that one guy up.
We got a couple newbies on the field. Newbie number 1, newbie number 2, newbie number 3, and newbie number 4.
Alright guys, I'm about to make it my goal to get their walks of shame through the woods. Alright, someone's coming. Antonio looks a little defeated. Antonio, give us your impression of what was happening.
It hurt like a bitch. I don't know.
Blue team, y'all just are not doing. Oh!
It was just crazy out there.
We got another one, Antonio. You see blue too?
Oh.
Just paint in my mouth. Wow. Blue team, what are you doing?
That's what I was afraid of happening.
You got shot through his shirt.
Oh my god, I told you y'all gonna be hurting bruises on bruises. How? How did you eat your crack? James? Mary said you did that to her?
I didn't even know that I was saying her.
So that was her though? That
Hey, he said, I think I got hit.
I'm like, yo, like, dang. I wonder who did that one.
Not in the eye though.
I don't know. I feel like I told Team Cream back. I don't know.
That's
But at least you got shot there. I got shot on my finger. My finger feels weird. Crap, we gotta go so far. We can't be walking. They about to start shooting at us. This is like the worst spot to actually go. And to be honest, because you can't really see anything. I don't know why we decided to go towards the woods. But it is what it is. We got the whole team here.
Hey. Soda pop going up.
He's going up? Moving up. But I guess that's why we sign waivers, right, James? That's why we sign waivers, man. So if we get stuff like this,
crazy, man.
We can't sue him or anything.
There's a lot.
Oh yeah, blocks. The thing that's funny about Soda is that I swear he got shot.
I was gonna go that way.
He got shot. Literally put his hands up, and then he hasn't come out of there yet. Where are you at? Where was he at? He was
The other match. He got lost, went all the way around, and came out the other.
Soda, man. We all sit here waiting for you and everything.
I got killed.
Where'd you go?
I don't know. I just got lost. Yeah, I always get hit in the head.
So somebody gonna have to stay with Soda Pop. Every map, somebody gotta stay with Soda Pop, man. Man. You know, a lot of people said they shot you. You just kept.
For real?
Yeah.
I was nice enough to not shoot you.
Yeah,
Because I saw him. He's like, are you in or out? I'm like, I'm out.
Yeah.
Soda Pop, I saw you.
Yeah.
Everybody calls Soda Pop, man. That's funny. Yo, we're officially all on the same team. Let me see them red bands, y'all. Red band. Red band. Red band. Red band. Red band. Look, I'm recording without even using the screen. I'm one with the camera, man. I'm one with the camera.
That focus is shot.
It might be though, man. It might be.
Hey, he got the flag,
Man, you look dope, bro. Oh, thank you. Yeah, paint
My own teammate. Look at
Wait, by your own teammate?
my own teammate. Matter of fact, my own brother. That's what's messed up.
Y'all wanna hear what my fart sounds like?
Hey, come on, you're on my feet.
All right. We gotta return our gats. Dude, everybody that came, gotta document the time. All right, then that was fun.
Do we return everything over there? Here's your gun.
Thank you, sir.
I did good things with it.
Dang, such a good time with those. This looks good. All you hear are freaking gunshots everywhere. Dude, I gotta give me a hug to this guy on video because I'll never see this guy, man.
I come around every once in a while.
Every once in a while.